Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on this channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to dropship from Aliexpress onto eBay, and this method's going to work for 2021 and even to 2022. So, dropshipping from Aliexpress onto eBay. This is not to do with Shopify, this is straight with eBay. Before I'm going to start and get into it and show you the correct way to do so, the reason why a lot of people are actually against this method is because you will get banned doing it incorrectly. So, why? Well, a lot of people do something as simple as this. They'll find a product, for example, we'll just pick something here like Christmas because it's coming up to Christmas. And if they pick something that, I want to find something unique so I can easily find it on eBay, but something as simple as maybe these little Santa Claus dolls things. If we copy and paste the title, well, let's hope that we can actually find it on eBay. But, the reason why people struggle with this, and I don't know if I'll be able to find it, but anyways, what they're doing is they're going to do something like this. Say they list this product on eBay and it's only $1.88. It's you in USD, so we'll change it to Australian dollars. Because I am from Australia. This method, by the way, works no matter what country you're from, but I'm just from Australia, so I'm going to show you guys just from my perspective. But let's say they're trying to sell this, it's $2.41 and it's free shipping. So they're thinking that, the cost of sale is only $2.41. And they're going to go sell it on eBay for $15, $20 because it is, a pretty expensive it looks like it can be sold for at least $15 to $20. The reason why you're going to get banned is one, you can't use a tracking number like this. So it doesn't even come with tracking. So let's say you did and you chose AliExpress tracking. Well, I don't even know, firstly, if eBay accepts AliExpress tracking on their system. And secondly, you're saying that this item is being shipped from Australia, because if we go to any of these, for example, we click this one, this one, as you can see, says that it is being shipped from China. But when you list it on your store, unless you specify that, you will be showing that it's being sold from, Australia. So let's say this one, for example, as you can see, it says it's from Australia. So the reason why people are getting banned is because they're selling something from China, because this is getting shipped from China, and they're saying that it's from an Australian warehouse or Australian location. If you were to do this, you have to specify that your location is China. And the way you do that is in the item location at the very bottom of your listing. And what it's going to do is it's going to show that you are from China. And you can still offer free shipping and whatnot, but it's going to change the estimated delivery time. As you can see, it says 27th of September. If we went to the one that was from Australia, which was, I think it was this one, it's going to show earlier in September. Two completely different dates. Because if it does not arrive between these timeframes, eBay is very strict on this, then it's just going to raise a flag. And if this keeps happening, and then they're going to ask you for tracking for proof, and you send them a Chinese tracking showing that the item originated in China, but you're saying it originated in Australia, it's just going to cause a flag, and then your account's going to get banned or restricted, or something's just going to happen. And that's why people are getting banned. And this is why people are saying don't dropship from AliExpress. So, if you want to do it this way, you can. You have to specify it's from China, though. You can't, even if it comes quickly, they're going to ask for tracking. And when you give the tracking number to eBay and they see that it's from China and you specify it's from Australia, it's just not going to go well. So then, how do you do it properly? Well, for those who didn't know, you can actually choose where you want the warehouse from AliExpress to be. So if you go and just say we're doing Christmas items still, if you click ship from, you can choose three popular. So it's actually the top two popular factories, warehouse locations in China for the suppliers, which is China and Turkey. But if you say that you're delivering to whatever country you're dropshipping on, so I'm dropshipping on the Australian marketplace, so I choose Australia, and you press ship from Australia, this means it's going to show you products that are getting shipped from the Australian marketplace. So let's look at this snowman, for example. I can choose it from the Australian warehouse, and this one here, but here's the issue now. Shipping costs $44. So this isn't going to cost me $41 to ship. It's going to cost me $85. Can I still make profit? Well, I'm not really sure. Maybe this sells, but I think this is going to be a bit expensive to sell. So maybe we can't take that one item. So let's have a look at another one. Maybe this here, Christmas decoration wire. So we pick Australia. Free shipping. ships from Australia. So this will be with Australia Post. So it will tell you September 22, but if it's shipped with Australia Post, you know it will come within 1 to 2 weeks, which is perfect and fits in the time frame, and it's only $20. So if you were to dropship from AliExpress, this is how you would do it. The item is located in Australia, check. It's at a low price, free shipping, so you can still mark it up. The cost of sale is still low. And if we were to say from China, you're only paying $1 extra and you're shipping it from an Australian warehouse. So you're going to get the shipping time. You've got the tracking number. This is coming with the tracking number. Let's double check that. Comes with a tracking number. It'll be Australia Post. So it's tracking number. It's from Australia. This will not raise any flags on eBay's end. This may not even raise any retail arbitrage flags because it's with AliExpress. So I think this will be a perfect way. This is the perfect way for you guys to dropship on eBay using AliExpress. You do not want to use Chinese suppliers unless you're going to actually disclose that. But if you do, it's going to lead to a loss in sales because no one wants to wait 3 months for their parcel. So if you want to do it right. This is the method. This is how you should do it going into 2022 and it's still in 2021. So hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys want more like this, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more eBay dropshipping videos, and I'll see you guys